So I'm out here in Carlsbad, California. I just got done with my interview, and I am so excited. I mean, look at this sunset right now. It is beautiful, and it ironically matches my attire. I'm still wearing the clothes I had on, and man, did that go well. I just want to say thank you to everyone who wished me well, who wished me good luck, who said a prayer for me. I needed it, and man, did it turn out. I showed up 15 minutes early, I'm freshly shaven, I'm looking good, I'm feeling good, and I think and hope I was sounding good. I mean, that's not for me to decide, but hopefully the guy across the table thought that. It was just so natural, dude. I feel like videos, just anything in this space, I can speak on it, because it's what I do. It's my passion, it's my hobby, it's hopefully my career someday, it's everything for me. And I've been doing these videos now for so many days in a row that when he was asking me things like, how do you film? How do you like to compose? What do you use to edit on? It just came so easily. It was first thing on my mind, top of mind. And I was able to be honest, truthful. Nothing felt forced. The guy I interviewed with was super chill. He gave me this really relaxed vibe. And I think we were just bouncing off each other well. And I'm hoping, I'm praying, and I'm asking that I just get invited to the second interview, fingers crossed. But you know what? At the end of the day, I'm just happy for this. I'm happy that I'm making progress. I'm happy that I got in front of another human after sending hundreds of applications. Someone finally gave me the chance to just say, this is what I want to do, and this is what I can do for your company. Please give me the shot. And you know, I was listening to an audiobook today, and it was speaking about exactly this. Whatever it is in life that you want, whether it's videography, whether it's something in the finance field, whether you want to be a teacher, whatever it is, you have to accept that to get to that point, you got to grind. You got to take some downers. You got to take some L's if you want to ever get a W. And that's what I'm doing here, dude. I've taken a lot of L's, and I feel like just getting into this interview is a W. And that's what I'm looking at it as, no matter what comes of this. If I get the job, if I get into the second round, if they cancel me right now. At the end of the day, I'm making progress. I'm doing what I do, and I am trying to become a videographer. And then no matter where I am in life at some point, I can look back on this moment and say I gave it my best effort. I ironed the shirt, I was clean, I was feeling it, and I did what I could. And it just didn't work, or maybe it did. Who knows, bro? But it's to my point yesterday, man. That's what we gotta do as humans. We just do stuff. And hopefully it's something that you like to do. But I think the real message here is that there's good and bad with everything. You gotta accept the bad if you wanna get to the good. And you gotta appreciate the good when it comes. So for today, man, I'm doing exactly that. I'm appreciating the good. I'm appreciating that I got into this interview, dude. I am stoked. And that's part of this whole project for me too. I want to show you guys that, yeah, I can be down sometimes. I can be depressed. I can be in my feelings like everyone. But then there's other days that are like this, where I am just on top of the world. I'm looking the part, I'm feeling the part, and I'm acting the part, and it is just great. That's life, dude. Up and down. You gotta accept both. Whew. It's crazy because I haven't even had any caffeine yet today. I'm at Starbucks right now because I gotta edit this video later. But I am just so amped up, bro. I'm stoked. I'm having a good time with this, dude. And it really feels like now I'm making progress to something. I'm on my way, dude. I am on my way to becoming a filmmaker. I promise you that. And Preston, if you're watching this video years from now, bro, you were having a good moment in this time. Hopefully things are going good still. But dude, you did your thing today. And I think sometimes it's important to just talk to yourself like that. Like, give yourself a pat on the back when you deserve it. Even if things don't go your way, at least if you tried, you tried. And that's all either of us can do. You or I. We gotta fight through this thing, man. I hope you guys are having a good one, because damn, I am having a good one today, bro. And this sunset, beautiful. This moment, beautiful. I'll see you guys later. Woo! The interview went well, baby.